Stay close to me, my love.
I'm right here, Mama. The forest feels cold.
We won't go near it.
Mama!
Hold my hand! Oh, let her go!
Please don't leave me!
I can feel her. She's close. Trust your heart. Keep moving.
Mama, I'm here! I'm coming, sweetheart!
Stay behind me! I can't lose her! I'm not afraid anymore. We do this together. You're safe. I have you.
I knew you would come.
Did they hurt you?
No, you were close.
The forest has let go. So have my fears.
We're home.
Yes, we're home. Nothing will take you from me.
I'll always stay close. The castle feels warm.
You are safe here. Never walk alone again.
I promise, Mama.
Stay behind me. I see it too.
Is it gone?
Yes, it's gone. I will always protect you.
I know. The lights are dancing. They welcome the night.
The darkness cannot follow us here.
I feel brave now.
Love kept her safe, and courage brought her home.
I'm sleepy, Mama.
Rest now. There we go.
Stay.
Always. The stars are bright tonight. They remind us that hope is always near.
Look, Mama!
Yes, such a beautiful night. Stay close to me.
I won't let go.
It's gone now.
Yes,
It's all gone. Home is where we belong.
I'm happy here. Everything feels bright again.
Yes, it's a new day. See how they grow?
I want to touch them, Mama. Look at them, Mama.
Everyone is safe here.
Take these to the forest?
Only the safe path, my love. Hold them carefully.
I will, Mama. The forest looks smaller today.
It feels safer with us together. We must be careful.
I'm ready, Mama. Can we follow it?
Only for a moment.
Mama, it moved.
I see it. Stay close. Nothing can harm us.
I trust you, Mama. It feels different here.
Stay close. We'll be fine. Careful, darling.
Thank you, Mama. Is that where we go?
Yes, we must keep moving. Love and courage brought us home.
And we'll always be together.
Thank you for watching our adventure.
Don't forget to subscribe.
And share with friends who love fairy tales.